In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link page and table in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to connect two databases so your pages reference each other automatically, making it easier to navigate and keep information in sync. Start inside the database where you want the link to appear. Look at the property bar at the top of your table and find the small plus icon to add a new property. Click that plus icon to create a fresh column. From the property type menu that opens, choose Relation. This tells Notion you're about to connect this database to another one. Next, Notion will ask which database you want to link to. Use the search box to find the database that holds the pages you want to reference. This could be a projects database, a clients list, or even the same database if you're building internal links between entries. Select the database you need and you'll move on to configuring how the relation behaves. When prompted, enable the two-way relation option. Turning this must creates a mirrored property in the other database, so links you add here automatically show up there as well. It's the easiest way to keep both sides in sync and makes it simple to jump back and forth without manual updates. Now give your relation property a clear, descriptive name. Think about how it should read in your table. For example, related project or linked client. A good name helps teammates understand the connection at a glance. Confirm by clicking Add Relation. You'll see your new relation column appear in the table. To create a link for a specific row, click the empty cell in that column. A picker will open where you can search and select the exact page you want from the linked database. Choose the page, and Notion will add it to the cell as a chip, confirming the connection. To check the link from the other side, click the chip to open the linked page, then navigate to its database view. You'll see the corresponding relation property there as well, showing the page you started from. That confirms your two-way relation is working correctly and that both databases now reference each other. With this setup, you can move fluidly between related items, keep data consistent, and avoid duplicate effort. Use clear names, double-check you selected the right database, and test one or two rows before rolling it out widely. That's all you need to link a page in a Notion using relations.